Do you know the rules?
No, I'm going to turn it over to Junior to explain. Is it recording already?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. We're here out in Bethany, California, out in Mountain House. We got a little bit of overcast today. With me today, I got the Garcia brothers. They were kind enough to talk to their dad and let me borrow this rod. It's the reel's Abu Garcia. It's an ugly stick. They talked to their dad and they got a reel for me. So it's gonna work out. We're gonna try to catch some bass today. What I'm working with is I got a 7 medium heavy Carbon Light 2.0. It's the new one that came out this year. I got the test is 10 pounds. What we're gonna try first is a shaky head. See if that works for us. Last week we tried it out and we had some very good luck. Caught a couple 8-pounders. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to Abu Garcia's son, Junior Garcia. He's going to explain to you the rules on what the tournament is today, and we'll go from there.
Hey guys, so these are the rules. So basically, since we've been coming here, we've been noticing that we've been getting a lot of action on the shaky head worm rig. So that is actually going to be worth 1 point. And anything else is going to be worth 2 points. And so the way that this is going to go is we have a spot right over here, you can see, and this is the A spot. There's Mark over there, he gave you that little intro. And then we have a spot just on the other side of these toolies, which is spot B. And so the team A is Sebastian, who is currently your cameraman right now. And he is going to be along with Ulysses Garcia. We are part of the Garcia family and the Abu Garcia Legacy. And so we're here to kind of help promote that in addition to just catch some fish. So it's going to be Mark and I against them two for the first 2 hours, and then we'll spin it up and change teams maybe, but that's how it's gonna go, and we're gonna see what happens.
Oh my God, that was fucked up. An ugly bird's nest. How did that fucking happen? Fucking shit. Fuck. This rod might be done for the day. This rod might be done for the day. It just sucks because this is wasting a lot of time, and this is like prime time right now. Fish on, fish on. Do you want to weigh her?
I got a text message, so I wonder if they got one too.
I think they just heard. Let her go?
Yeah.
1.5?
Yeah.
1.5.
1.5. Sweet. Nice, dude. Hell yeah.
All right. So long, Bethany. Oh,
Ooh,
gave us a little show.
that's sick. And it was on the GoPro. That's
On the GoPro. What we're using is that watermelon. We're using that watermelon bubble gum,
that guy wasn't lying, dude.
and they'll hit it every time. What we're doing is we're using that watermelon bubble gum, and that just works perfect in this stained water. So we're just going to keep on fishing the water bubble gum, see how that works out. I might switch over to a jig later on, but right now we're going to use what's working for us. What do you say?
Yuli! We got one. Marked it.
On that watermelon bubble gum?
All right, so it's halftime. We're about to go into the second leg of this tournament for Team B, which is Mark and myself. Mark, how many fish did you catch?
I caught one so far. Record numbers, it's the heaviest out of all of them. But we still have another 2 hours, so I'm predicting we'll catch another 5, 6. We're gonna go ahead and switch over to popper just to get the points a little, just to help us on points. We're losing right now. They caught a total of 6 fish on the popper, so we're down right now, and it doesn't look too good for us. But I'm confident that we'll turn it around right now in the next 2 hours. The conditions are right. The water looks good. I'm very confident that we'll turn it around these next 2 hours. So I'm not feeling pressured at all. I'm a tournament finisher. I'm up for Angler of the Year this year, 2018. So very confident that we'll turn it around and be successful.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mark. All right, so Yuli and Sebastian, you guys are up at halftime right now. So tell us a little bit about what happened.
Okay, starting off, I caught the first fish, cut on my Millennium Falcon popper.
Let's see that. That is quite a beauty. Look at that one, folks.
Nice little rattle on it, and yeah, once I threw it on, it was the first catch with the Millennium Falcon. And then I doubled up, and then I tripled up, and then Ulysses wanted to get on the popper bite as well. So I gave him a similar one. It's black and silver, and I knew that one would be successful just because I've caught smallmouth on it at Lake Del Val. And so he caught his, he doubled up, he tripled up, and that's all she wrote.
So what is the final score today, folks? Sebastian's team with a total of how many points?
We have 12 points currently.
All right, because all of the fish they caught were on poppers, not on worms. Worms are 1 point, everything else is 2 points. And Mark and I are down by 11. I have yet to catch a fish. I lost 2 on spook. So we'll get back out there and finish this day. There might not be an outro because we might lose daylight. So we'll just let the GoPro tell the rest of the story. There you go. You're good. All right. All right.
All right. So
Say good luck, but
so this is Yusuf and Seabass. He catches a lot of bass because of his name. And yeah.
Currently, Ulysses is wearing the GoPro. Yeah, we just hope to have the same luck that we had in Spot B, in Spot A. But you know what? It just feels good catching fish, to be honest.
No, but dude, when that girl with the dog, she was like, "Oh look, a fish! Doggy, look, a fish!" And then she came back. Yeah, and then I got the fish.
That was hilarious. If you guys don't understand that story real quick, a lady was walking her Great Dane and Ulysses had just hooked up into like his second fish.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
his second fish. And she was like, "Oh, look, dog, a fish." And like Yuli looked back and smiled and whatever. And then she kept on walking. As she was coming back, Ulysses got his third, and she was like, "Look, another fish." It was pretty hilarious.
Later. Good luck. Alright, guys. So, hope you got some fish. Gonna try and be silent so they can't hear us. Yeah. Let's pop them up. Mark said he had a few popper frogs. You serious? Dude, let me hook onto that. Hold up, after this cast. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to the frog popper. Because BB told me we had one, so I'm gonna use it. Kind of like switch my strategy. It's still popper because that's what the fish is going for. So like, oh my God. Dude, Bethany used to be super mean to us. Now we're friends. Wow, I almost died. Is that a fish? So, switched it up. I'm gonna use the popper frog. As my mom would say, it looked kind of demonic. But, yeah, I'm gonna use it anyway. Oh, I'm gonna test it out this. Popper? It's heavy. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna try, but I probably won't succeed. Don't get. Hey, yell out like you're getting one. What? Did you? You saw it? Probably caught on popper. That's 3 points. Maybe 5. Dude, it's either a... If they get 6, they'll get 13. And we'll lose by 1 point.
Yeah. Alright, so me and Ulysses were in spot A where Mark and Junior first began. And we could see why they only caught 1 fish here. Because it's been about... Let me see. It's been about 30 minutes or so. And, yeah, we haven't had a single bite or seen a single fish jump over here. It's making us pretty sad. And so we're going to be fishing the floor once again with some worms, even though they're 1 point. We feel like the lead that we established in the beginning was, like, good enough. Oh, wow, look at this. But yeah, we hear them landing fish. And at the halftime report, we had to tell them what lures we used. So I imagine they're just scoring them double points. So, let's see what happens. That's actually a really beautiful bird. That car is jamming. Somebody was walking around that corner, dead.
How did that car get even in there?
It's a Ranger. Get away from the reeds. Get away from the reeds. Get over here. Come on. Come on, big girl. Oh, baby. Come on. Come on. Get over here. Get over here. All right. Oh, please don't come off. Hold the rod, please. Guess we don't need to take a picture of this guy because we have the GoPro. But he's a little chunky dude.
Hold on, let me get the wave. Can I get it?
This is fish 4 for me,
Let me get the wave. Let me get the
and fish 7 for me and Ulysses in total.
points. 13.
Yeah, we currently have 13 points since it was on the Robo Worm.
Is it heavy?
He's a little chunky.
So we shouldn't.
Yeah, I don't think he's heavier than my last guy.
Look at the spotted.
I don't think so.
His mouth isn't longer than his eyeball.
I'm gonna have to John B this and hit it out because this is a pretty good hook set.
Yeah, dude, that's a spotted.
Is it spotted?
Look at the mouth. It's not bigger than the eye. It's not longer than the eye.
He's a beaut though. Or she. Don't want to misgender him. I mean, it. Jesus. These smokeronis.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, they're good. I just called him he again. I'm sorry, Fish. Alright, we're gonna call Junior real quick. Because we can't take this out. Yeah, I have no reception actually. You're gonna have to run.
Junior! We need help! Hold up. Can I spot it?
Pull it out. Yeah, we did it.
Never mind!
Let me get the release.
Told you I had it.
This is the guy, we're Californian, we could say guy. Yeah, thank you. Super sorry about that, brother.
And he just peed on me.
And he peed on Yossi, so I think it's pretty even now.
Oh my god. Later.
Bye, buddy.
You see-
Don't get hooked again. I know, I see him jump up. Dude, I think I got him on the camera when he jumped.
Alright.
It's freaking sick.
Not
But again, I am so sorry I feel so bad for that fish.
You're like the eldest here. If you get one more fish.
Yeah, I've tied the record at Bethany so far, not knowing how well they've done over there in spot B. But the last time, or the record at Bethany between our family is currently 4 fish.
4 ginormous large ones.
4 largemouth by my brother Junior, and I just tied it. And so hopefully I could beat that record if they haven't already beat it, that is, in spot B today, because today's fishing's been,
Awesome.
it's just been going off. It's been pretty great. And that's coming from a person that doesn't really care to fish too much. Like, I enjoy it by all means, but, you know, I don't want to hurt the fish. Let's see. It is 7 p.m. Does that mean it's over?
Yep. Tom. Let's go there.
No.
What? It's 7. The game's over.
I know, but they're still in the water. We gotta make sure they're out of the water. Or else then they could...
It's 7.
I just text them, so... My hands look red in the camera. Oh, well, they do look red in real life.
Gasolina.
Yes, please, not that song. Is that a fish that they caught? You heard that, right? Oh, darn it. Oh, it's Manny. What's up, dude? I'm fishing. Yep. Yep. I mean, we're gonna be done pretty soon. Right now? Ah, shit. Oh shit. Alright, Manny. I'm gonna... Oh, yeah, this is hooked on real nicely on a fish right now. Yeah. And so I'm just gonna let you go and I'll tell you when we leave. Because were you gonna still need Ulysses? I know. Are you gonna still need him? Alright, well then, I'll text you when we leave.
It's been hooked before, look, you see it? Right there?
Yeah.
It's been hooked before.
It's not the same guy though.
No.
The one that I got.
Actually, it's pretty the same size.
Yeah, he's a nice little chunky monkey. Got some weight on him. Been eating those spring crawdads. It is freezing butts right now. Freezing butts and coconuts. I just wonder if we're done. The tournament's over. We're at 14 points. Woo!
Don't pee on me, bro.
That was hilarious.
Oh, wow. That was... Wow.
Alright, now you want to show the camera? Bring it a little closer if you want.
Yep. A beauty.
Beautiful, beautiful bass. Beautiful. Love it. You gotta love it.
There you go.
There's really nothing quite like this,
Catch fish.
as Mac DeMarco would say.
As you hope.
No, it's just a line that he says.
Gosh. Yeah, man.
Healy, please. No racist impressions.
Ow.
It's just a rod. So we officially did better here than they did. Because they only caught one fish here. That was a terrible release.